Okay, so I just read about this new Generative UI SDK for React called Tambo. It's designed to adapt apps based on user conversations.
Wait, really? So it changes what you see depending on what you're asking. That sounds almost like magic.
Exactly, users don't have to learn the app, it tailors the components based on what they want to do. That's pretty groundbreaking.
That makes so much sense. I mean, how often do we get frustrated with apps that make us click through endless menus?
Right? Imagine asking, show me sales from last quarter grouped by region, and it just works. No more hunting for features.
But doesn't that assume the AI understands your request perfectly? What if it misinterprets something?
Good point, the AI does need to be pretty advanced for that. There's definitely room for errors in understanding context.
And what about the setup? It sounds complex with AI and all that. Is it user-friendly?
Surprisingly, it's pretty straightforward. You can set it up using just a few commands. It's designed to be accessible.
Wow, that's refreshing. I love when tech doesn't feel like a barrier to creativity.
Totally, plus you can self-host it or use their cloud service, which is a nice flexibility.
Self-hosted. That opens up so many possibilities for customization and control.
For sure, but I wonder if self-hosting could lead to more technical issues for those who aren't very tech-savvy.
That's a valid concern. But if they provide adequate documentation, it could ease the learning curve.
The documentation seems comprehensive. Plus, they have a Discord community for support, which is great.
Communities can make a huge difference. It's like having a safety net when you're trying to figure things out.
Absolutely, and speaking of communities, Tambo integrates with tools like Linear and Slack. That's big.
Integrating with popular tools can definitely streamline workflows. I'd love to see how that plays out in real scenarios.
Imagine the productivity boost if teams can interact fluidly across platforms without switching apps.
But what if there are multiple tools? Navigating between them could still get messy.
True, they really need to design a seamless experience, or it could feel more like a burden.
That's where good design comes in, right? It can make or break user experience.
Definitely, the way Tambo automatically renders components based on user intent is a game changer.
Wait, so it can generate visualizations and summaries too. That's super convenient.
Yes, generative components respond to requests, which is so much more efficient than static interfaces.
I really see the potential there, but I wonder how it handles complex requests.
That's a big question. If the AI can't parse complex queries, it could lead to user frustration.
It's all about that balance of complexity and user-friendliness. Too much AI can feel overwhelming.
Exactly, and then there's the issue of bias in AI responses. It's essential to keep that in check.
Absolutely. If the AI's training data is skewed, it could lead to skewed outputs, which is a huge concern.
Right, the evidence seems mixed regarding how well these systems can manage biases.
And what about privacy? When you're dealing with data, it's crucial to ensure user safety.
Great point, they need to be transparent about data handling and user consent.
I'm curious how they'll navigate that, especially with regulations tightening around data.
I know it's a tricky landscape, but if Tambo can balance it, it could set a new standard.
So if we put this all together, Tambo offers immense potential, but it faces some big challenges.
Exactly, I'm excited to see how it evolves and whether it can truly deliver on its promises.
It'll be fascinating to witness its impact on how we develop and interact with applications.
For sure, I guess at the end of the day, the question is, can AI really enhance usability without complicating it?
That's the million-dollar question. I can't wait to see where this goes. It's an exciting time for tech.